Today materials is about reading for research. First, you should know why we need to read. We read to get information for research. And why we need information? Because it will give you ideas. And next is you need to understand what other researchers have done in your area. Third, to broaden your perspective and set your working context. Fourth, for direct personal experience, because direct personal experience can never be enough. 5. To legitimate your arguments by using evidence. Next, it may cause you to change your mind or open your perspective. Next is because writers need readers. 8. So that can you effectively criticize what others have done. 9. To learn more about research methods and their application in practice. 10. In order to spot areas which have not been researched. Next is about basic reading strategies. There is 4 basic guidance I will tell you. First is where to read. You can read from a public library or university library, or you can do some research on internet by using computer, phone, and etc. Next, you can buy, or you can also buy it at bookstore. What to read? You can read books, journals, sources, and etc. Whom to read? It is important to be aware of whom you are reading. You should choose motivating book or authors, and remember to be selective for what you read. Next is how to find what you need. You can take advice or some recommendation from your students or your fellow. After that, you can locate other materials that appear relevant by use library or internet. You can also look at other relevant materials. Once you have identified relevant journals, you can see or look through recent issues to find the most up-to-date writing on your topic. Read outwards from your original sources by following up interesting looking references. You can identify key texts by noting those they are referred to again and again. While you're reading a book, you should try and ensure that you have some understanding. And the last, you should use the time and resources you have. Next is using library. The resources of information in the library you need to know. You can ask librarians if you need to find the books that you want, or you can use catalogs in the library catalogs, or open shelf to guide you to which areas of the library are likely to be of most use. You can also search by using internet. Sources of information on the internet you can use is Google, Internet Gateways, Google Scholar, academic publication, and resources. Next is good enough reading. How to be able to read well, or how we can have good ways for reading. First, you should do some surveys. You should do surveys by scanning the materials you want to know to get a picture about it. You can also ask questions to the text and try to answer it by yourself. Read the text based on the question created. Try to remember what you have read by taking notes. Reread the notes to see the missing part and how many things you have learned. Issues in reading. How to solve reading problem or issues in the reading. First is you need to be focused and disciplined while researching the relevant topic. You should consider constantly limiting your research topic. You should make different projects by adding some details or focus in it. And you should find the materials as much as you need, but should be relevant and important for the topic.